Hey guys, today we are going to be showing you how to wrap a car. We're going to be wrapping the top of the EG hatch, and then we're also going to show you how to change the ball joints and axles in an '89 Civic wagon. So let's get right into it. Here's Nate. I'm Finn. Chris is in here sweeping up the shop, getting it ready. Ooh, it's a little bad.
What's going on, Chris?
I'm just sweeping up so our backs don't get dirty, man. I'm about to pull the wagon back in, get the axles finally replaced, and the ball joint, lower ball joints too. We're gonna do the tie rods, but the way my bank account set up, that's not gonna happen until like tomorrow or something. But you said we're getting the paint too?
We're gonna try and get paint. Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Hopefully.
If everything goes as planned, we'll get the paint as well, and then it might be painted by the end of this. Wait, it is Sunday. Oh shoot. It might
Saturday.
be. It is? No.
Today's Saturday, my dude.
Damn.
Yeah, so we might get this done.
Yeah, it might be done by the end of the week.
Alright, so this is Chris's 1989 Burrito Supreme. Nothing really too crazy at all. Literally bone stock. This isn't the valve cover for this car. We have the other one at home. That's going to go back on this. This was on there just because we were going to sell it. But then we didn't. We need to do the axles first and the lower ball joints and wrap Hunter's car before we do that. But we have all the parts for it. I think the last thing we got to grab is an intake manifold gasket, and that should be it. So let's get to work.
She's pretty fast as is, but you know.
I'll let you know speed.
Alright, update on what's going on. We got the wheels off, but what seems to be the issue, Nate?
The issue we're having is I'm retarded, and I don't know what I'm doing, except for this part. But yeah, we got the axle out. See, look, I don't know if you can really tell in there, but CV joint just kind of exploded. So yeah, that thing just kind of popped out. So, which is nice, because we're gonna have to drain the trans out here really soon, and then we'll pull those up. So, but until then, we gotta get this ball joint out, which is just a pain.
We got a lot done on Friday, but we ended up having to wait till get parts. Or was that Saturday? I think that was Saturday. Anyways, so time to give you an update on everything that's happening. EG's getting closer to getting ready for the wrapper, and we're just spray painting the door trim. But Nate, what's been going on?
So we got these ball joints. These ones are not the ones for this car, but it's a accurate representation. So we got the ball joints out, the old ones. I know we filmed getting like the little tool from Harbor Freight. May have or might not have. I don't remember, but I think we did. But that didn't help. So I would recommend not buying that. All you need to do is you need like probably like a 5 or a 10-pound sledgehammer. So you need like a 5-pound sledgehammer like that one.
This will save your life.
And all you do is you just keep hitting on this flat surface, so you can rip the boot off. Just keep hitting it up and it'll pop out. And if there's a ring that's on it, like for the axle, like on the hub, it's fine too. That'll just pop out once this pops out. But yeah, so we just hammered it out, and then one of them had a grease fitting here. Some of them do, some of them don't. Either way, we just took a big socket, so like the axle nut socket, about that size, put it on top, just hammered it back in with that same sledgehammer, and then put a snap ring, a lock ring. Yeah. And it just goes like right here on this little groove. Might be able to see it. But yeah, it just snaps right into that, and then you're pretty much set once it's all the way down. I had to use some PD blaster to get it in and out. Yeah. And then driver's side was easier because it just like slipped in, slipped out, slipped out, slipped in. We only had to hit it a few times and it came right out. And then putting it in, I just pushed it in with my finger, and put the snap ring right on there. Just oof, butter. But yeah, and then this one's got nylon locking threads, but some of them are like a castle nut. Yeah. So you just take a cotter pin and shove it in there. Then you'll see, like when you get them, you'll know what I'm talking about. And then you're gonna need the pickle fork, because you need the pickle fork to get it out. That's before everything happens, to get it off of the front lower control arm. And you're set. The axles were really easy too. We didn't film doing those because there's so many videos on how to take out axles. And I know we were gonna say we were gonna show how to do that, but we just had to get it done.
We just needed to get stuff done, so.
Yeah, we just needed to get it done, so we didn't film it. But for reference, you just pull the axle nut off, pull the whole thing out of the trans. You can take the pickle fork too, and like say if this was the end of the axle and like the trans was right here, just take the pickle fork and hit it on the bottom with the hammer and it'll pop right out. Alright, y'all have probably seen me change clothes like 3 times already. That's because this was not all filmed in the same day. But we got Chris's wagon right here. It's all done. We're waiting for Hunter to show up so that way we can go ahead and do the wrap on it. Hopefully we might be able to do a little something fun. You think so, Chris, in this? Yeah, before we take it on a test drive?
Yeah, maybe do a little Bernie or something.
So we got a state in here. He's in the background.
Hey guys.
T-Rex still chilling. But yeah, so wagon is done, and we're just waiting for Hunter. All right, guys. So Hunter just got here, and we're getting ready to do this wrap now.
Check it. We're doing a car wrap.
But he's not a rapper though. Looking at this, we're gonna scrape all this off, all this clear coat. So it looks pretty nasty, but I think we're just gonna leave it. That's really what I'm thinking. We're just probably gonna leave it. Alright guys, we're just getting ready to start this wrap, but looks like we're gonna be joined by some lightning tonight and a lot of wind. Oh, yep, there goes lightning. Holy cow. So we're gonna try and get this thing done.
Before the power goes out?
Yeah, before the power goes out. I just trimmed it up here, so that way it'll be all nice and Gucci. We got a little bit extra over there on top of the wagon. Got Hunter here, looking straight Mexican, man.
Yeah, I could look anything I want.
Exactly. You be you, man.
Arab, white, Mexican, black.
Oh cow. Dude, if this comes out good in the dark.
Right? Okay, so what's going on right now is we have this big thunderstorm, and the power just went out. So what we have to do is use our phone flashlights to finish the wrap because we just put it on. We just put on the wrap, but we just started, so we have to get this done, even if it means we're doing it in the pitch black. Yeah, so we just started. We're flush with this right here. We just have to make sure it's all pressed down with that thing we're using. Hey, bug, look at this. Oh, it flew away. So anyway, so yeah, that's the update right now, and
I'm just getting it kind of laid flat, and we're gonna lift this up, push it down in here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be easy, sort of, but that's all right. We're doing this for you guys.
And myself, because I want my ropes wrapped.
Yeah, but mainly for you guys. We're gonna continue pulling this wrap back a little bit.
Like paper?
Yeah, just a little bit. And I'm gonna try and even this out while we're doing it. It might work if you come on this side a little better.
And it's dark, but look at these triple lights. It's still bright. It's still bright in the dark, man.
Glow in the dark?
Pretty much. So we are currently wrapping without a heat gun.
Not how we were going to show you guys how to do it.
This is not how to do it. We're showing you how not to do it.
Yeah.
We already know the outcome's not going to be the best.
But if it comes out decent, then I mean...
And since we already started, that's why we're doing this. No going back.
Yeah.
You know?
That's what happens when lightning strikes you. then
Crazy.
that's viral. Kidding.
The only thing viral is this bronchitis I got. You know, if this comes out with no bubbles,
We're professional.
somehow someone needs to sponsor us.
We're ready for rapping, but we cannot rap in normal conditions. We have to rap during thunderstorm.
lightning
We're the
storms.
thunderstorm rapping boys.
Hopefully not gonna turn out whack.
This rap is
Just
little
sitting
wacky,
there in the
little
wood chips
wacky,
thing.
little cuckoo, little wacky, little oopsie. That scared the fuck. So we finished pressing it all down. We still have no power. The rain stopped and the lightning. It's over there now.
Well, for the
And,
most part, it stopped.
yeah.
It picks up every once in a
But
while.
we got. I feel like we got a lot of bubbles. We don't know until we take this, cover off. But honestly, it went really smoothly without using a heat gun or light. Well, I mean, we had flashlights, but overall, I think it might turn out good. We just have to cut it, and we'll be all good.
Yeah. So now we gotta squeegee these little spots in now too, right into the side.
Yeah.
And then cut it.
Yep, and then cut it, and then then we should be Gucci from there, my dude.
All right, so we're just getting into this crease here. You know, Nate is in the process of cutting it, and once he cuts it, we can peel this up, and it'll be looking real nice. And also see this bug?
Oh, right there.
Bug said, "Wait, see this? See this? See this?" And that is called
Premium
Gucci
wrap.
fitment. It looks like an illusion. It looks like it's wrinkled up right there, but it isn't. I'm carbon fiber man. Muscle man. The wrap is looking good. Don't touch it. So, we did have some imperfections. For example, I'm gonna point them all out because I don't really mind. So we got some imperfections here that is probably due to cutting. Thanks, Nate.
Oh
We got a lot of wrinkles right here.
Oh my god.
A lot.
Something happened there. Honestly,
just got stretch marks.
without a heat gun,
Without a heat gun.
that's not bad.
I got a bubble.
All right, Chris, how's it going?
It's going good. We got the other side on. Just getting this side on. This side's kind of a pain in the butt because we had to J-rig these bolts to fit in there. Because when we were taking the old ones out, it was not coming out. It was just all crusted in there. But we got these new bolts in. I'm just trying to get this one in, and the way we have to get it in there, this is kind of like bent this way, so we kind of have to like torque it this way so it all lines up. So that's why I'm jacking this up right now, so I can actually
Oh, you're
get
just
this on the
jacking
other
it up?
side.
So you want to jack it up and not fix it?
Yeah, I'm jacking it up, man.
All right, bet. Got 3 1/4-inch top hats. Chris is working on this other side right here. But yeah, he's getting these all good to go. That's a big upgrade from those right there. Which are like 1-inch top hats. Definitely not the amount of low that we need. Is that looking thick or what?
Make it extra
Sound
spicy.
like crunchy.
Yeah, it sounds like a Rice Krispie treat. Let's see what happens.
Moment of truth.
It's gotten way more expensive than it has been in a while.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so ready. All right, all right. Yeah, I didn't do anything.
That is.
Sad.
Are you serious?
That is sad.
Something ain't right here.
Okay, I got you.
Or like put on
Alright guys, so last night was kind of a bust. The car was not as low as we wanted it to be, but that didn't stop us, so it's the next morning. Obviously, that's really bright. So we did a little bit of modification to the strut. What we ended up doing was cutting that, I'm not sure what that's called, but it's the part that actually holds a spring if you're just going to put lowering springs on these coilovers. So I just went ahead, cut it off, and you end up getting something that looks like that, and that should drop us about another 1.5 inches, maybe almost 2 inches. So hopefully that'll give us the drop that we're looking for. If not, then we're definitely going to need 5-inch top hats in the back.
I mean, eventually, I still want to get those 5-inch top hats because
Yeah, we need preload on
yeah,
this.
there's no preload going on there whatsoever. And that's gonna ride like complete junk, but I'll be low, so you know.
So hopefully we can get those 5-inch top hats here really soon. Hopefully within the next week.
Yeah, shout out Tyler though. He's helping us out.
Heck yeah. Yeah, I'll put Tyler's Instagram in the description so you guys can check that out. Yeah, he makes a lot of cool stuff. He makes custom drop spindles, extended top hats. He makes so much.
He makes
I
a
don't
lot
even
of
know.
stuff.
Yeah.
It's too much to know. If you're in the Washington area and you need some extended top hats, go hit up Tyler, man.
Or if you're not in the Washington area, hit him up anyways.
Yeah, hit him up anyways. He'll probably send them to you.
Bet. Alright, so we're gonna get these on and I'll show y'all what that ends up looking like here in a second. Do we sort of fix it or do we not really fix it?
If this isn't any lower, I'm finna cry. Keep it real with y'all. But let's see.
Oh ho ho! Oh ho ho!
Oh, that's way better. Make sure those springs are in there. Yeah.
They're in there? Oh ho ho! That's a lot
yeah.
better. Yeah, buddy, that's all we needed.
We looking good, baby.
Oh man, whose car is this?
I don't know.
Who did you steal this from, Chris?
Man, I don't know.
I don't even know whose car this is. Trying to find out.
Shoot. Gonna have to act up. Oh, we gotta check that exhaust though.
I think the exhaust will be fine. We should roll forward. Oh my god, it looks normal.
Finally.
Dang, that only took how long now?
A day.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it looks normal. Alright. Did you tighten these lugs yet?
I'm about to.
Wait, hit the boat. How much gas you got? A lot. No, actually, no.